Fossil fuels have been prevalent in our society for some time, and they account for a large amount of energy sources. In the same token, fossil fuels are actively harming the environment in ways that are unimaginable. But there is an alternative, and we provide that at Dascan Ground Heat Energy Services Limited. We deliver cost-effective solutions for geothermal design, construction, and installation, as well as a feasibility analysis, economic assessment, savings calculation, and life cycle cost analysis for the system. Geothermal is a method of heating or cooling indoor space by transferring the hot and cold energy stored underground. Adopting this mechanism helps reduce your bills by 30 to 70%, while replacing fossil fuel and reducing air pollutants by a large percentage. Hot water is produced as a byproduct and at no extra charge. Moreover, because geothermal systems are a more efficient cooling technology, even at peak demand times, they can offer cost savings in cooling conditions compared to conventional systems. Maintenance costs are cheaper, and grants and rebates, as well as federal and provincial incentives, are present for those installing geothermal systems. Maintenance costs are cheaper, and grants and rebates, as well as federal and provincial incentives, are present for those installing geothermal systems. This means that they have a minimal effect on the ozone layer, while the loop system requires no external venting, thus creating less air pollution. Decentralized design means that in case of equipment failure, the only affected zone is where the equipment is located. Geothermal energy uses the subsurface temperature of the Earth to provide heating and cooling. Geothermal systems move this energy using a heat pump to move an environmentally friendly fluid through a series of buried pipes and then distribute it throughout the building. Geothermal systems move this energy using a heat pump to move an environmentally friendly fluid through a series of buried pipes and then distribute it throughout the building. Very little electricity is used to move the fluid and drive the heat pump for the production of cool air, and no fuel is burnt to produce heat. A bonus of the geothermal system is the production of hot water as a byproduct, which can be used for multiple purposes.